Hello friends, my name is Amasu. Today we'll discuss about a topic that what are meeting minutes and how to write the minutes of the meeting. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can follow me on the Facebook as well. So let's start friend. What are meeting minutes actually? Friend, they are official record of the meeting for its participants and source of information for teammates who were unable to attend. They are meant to be a permanent written record for future references about decisions made. It's often useful as a backup document as well. Friend, this is a very important document in project management. Whenever we held meetings with customers or internal, so we must have to circulate the meeting minutes. The main concept of meeting minutes is that whatever the decisions have been made during the meeting, and whatever the action items were decided, so we have to first of all written down all those decisions, action items, so that everyone should have to be on the same page that what was decided. And also it will become a backup document as well, that in the future, like after 1 month or 2 months, so it can be referred that what was decided as well. So despite the name, meeting minutes don't have to be a record of every single minute. On the contrary, it is vital to learn how cut through the noise and bring the most relevant information to your document. Basically, the purpose of meeting minute is that everyone should have to be on the same page, and every major decision, every major action item which was decided during the meeting minute should have to be in a written format. This is very important. Now friend, what should have to be included in the meeting minutes? First of all, the meeting name and place, then date and time of the meeting, list of meeting participants who are participating in the meeting, purpose or agenda of the meeting, and then for each agenda items, what was the decisions, action items, and what are the next steps which were decided in the meeting, next meeting date and place, documents to be included in the meeting report. So all these types of points should be included in the meeting minutes. This is very important friend. Mostly we use Microsoft Word document to write the meeting minutes, so all these types of headings or all these content should be included in the meeting minutes. Now here I can give you a very simple tips to write the meeting minutes. First of all, always try to directly type on the laptop. Don't try to write first on the, like for example, on any diary or rough work, and then make it or transfer it on the Microsoft Word. Now the best practice is that just keep your laptop with you, and whenever you are in a meeting, try to write the meeting points directly on the laptop or on the Microsoft Word. If anything is unclear, okay, during the meeting, so you should have to ask upfront with the meeting participant. This is a very wrong approach, that if thing is not clear, so after the meeting if you are asking with someone, so obviously here and there things are there, so this will be very difficult to answer you the question. So this is very important, that if anything is not clear to you, then just ask the question during the meeting. Capture essential points only, but the main agenda points, main decisions, main action items should be written down. It is not necessary that if for example the unnecessary points should not be written in the minutes of the meeting, because it will unnecessarily extend the document. So this is important, that only the relevant, only the important action item, decisions, and next action items should be properly documented in the meeting minutes. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.